Now, let's look at horizontal asymptotes. Yes, you do have lines that go across your graph of y values that it cannot be also. Horizontal asymptotes are horizontal lines that at the ends of your graph they cannot cross. To find your horizontal asymptotes, we look at the degrees of the top and the bottom of your function. So we look at the degree of the top, which here is a 1, and we look at the degree on the bottom, which here is a 2. If the degree on the bottom is bigger than the degree on the top, so this case right here, where you have an x squared on the bottom, is bigger than the x on the top. So if the bottom is bigger, like in this case here, the bottom is bigger than the top, you have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. It's automatically 0. It doesn't matter what anything is in the bottom or the top. If the degree on the bottom is bigger than the degree on the top, then it's automatically y equals 0. So when we look at our graph, you see that the limits at the edge of the graph is a y equals 0 line. Now we don't care about the middle, we care about the edges. Doesn't cross 0, it doesn't cross the x-axis. And so that's the limit, and that's the horizontal asymptote. Right? The other type of asymptote is, well, what if they're the same? Now, what do you mean by that? Well, let's take, for example, this one right here. Notice how they're both x squareds. Okay, so in this case, they are the same. So we use the second rule here. If they are the same, then the ratio of coefficients is the asymptote. So here we look at the coefficients of those degrees. The top is a 2, the bottom is a 1. So it's 2 over 1. So in this case, because they're the same, the asymptote is 2 over 1, or 2. Y equals 2. Whereas in this one, the bottom is bigger, so this is automatically y equals 0.